Welcome to the Drum Set Therapy Podcast. My name is Stefano Ashbridge, and this is a show about the challenges that come with playing the drums and what you can do about them so you enjoy your drumming journey. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. In a previous episode, I mentioned having a checklist with all the gear that I need for a rehearsal or a show. I also mentioned that I keep spare parts in my stick bag. That way I'll have everything I might need. Today I want to talk about non-drumming things that I take with me as well. These things I learned by experience to add to the list. First one is water. I was going to say something to drink, but I think water is probably best. I played plenty of shows where there's water there, but for one reason or another, I couldn't get any in between sets or when I was thirsty, so it's nice to have when you need it. The second is a protein bar or granola or something that's easy to eat on the fly. Most of the musicians I know tend to want to eat after they're done playing, but I can't play well if my blood sugar is low, so I take something to eat so that I'm at my best. Next is deodorant. For when you have to play multiple sets and it's hot and sweaty, it can be nice to have, especially when you have to mingle after you're done. And the last thing is an extra shirt. Again, for those long, sweaty, multiple set nights. As soon as you get off stage, it can be nice to have a change of clothes. These things have really come in handy, whether I'm on the road or playing or rehearsing locally. Thanks for listening. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Till next time.